Classic shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today we have a beautiful wig from Beauty Forever. This is a Kinky Straight U-part wig and it is so soft, so gorgeous. This is actually my first time trying a U-part wig. In all my years of wearing wigs, I think this is my first ever U-part wig, but I was actually really excited to try because I'm tired of sticking adhesive to my forehead. I'm tired of lace fronts. I feel like if you just want a break from lace front wigs, this wig is perfect. It's so easy to apply. As you guys saw, I literally just clipped in the clips in the back and then slid in the combs, and that was it. The wig is on and very secure. So I'm just going to use my blow dryer just to flatten out the waves a little bit, and then I'm going to go in and straighten the wig just to make it a little bit less poofy because it is quite full. If you prefer your hair less full, you can go for a density that's not as much as mine. Of course, I'll leave all the details down below so you can see exactly what density I got and all the specs of the wig that I have on my head right now. So I'm using my Babyliss wide plate straighteners and I'm just going to pass through the hair. I'm not going to do anything too crazy, just to literally flatten it out a bit, but this hair does straighten so beautifully. I'm going to show you guys a slow-mo of how gorgeous and straight this hair looks after a few passes of my straighteners. Absolutely love it. So I'm going to carry on and straighten the rest of my head, and then I'm going to straighten out my leave out to blend in with the wig. I would say my hair, my natural hair, does match really well with this wig. However, my hair is a little bit too dark for it. So if you're super extra and you want the wig to look so realistic, I would maybe suggest dyeing it a little bit because it is kind of like a brown color, and if you have dark hair like me, it might not match all the way, but it's not obvious to the eye. If you're just extra like me, then you can go ahead and do that. But as you guys can see, it's so easy to apply. I'm literally just straightening out my natural hair and then blending it with the wig. And because the hair is already kinky, it blends in so well and it doesn't need much manipulation to make it look like my hair. I'm just going to carry on and straighten my leave out. I don't want to straighten it too much because, you know, heat damage and all that, but straighten out my leave out and then blend it into the wig. Then I'm going to go in and add some baby hairs. I'm using, I can't remember the name of the wax, but I'll leave it down. I think it's the gummy wax in the black and red tube. I'm using that just to lay down my edges. I'm going to use an edge brush just to make the wig look a little bit more realistic and to give it a really nice natural finish. Because the hair is so big, I wanted to actually move it away from my face. So I did go ahead and pack it to the back in a low pony, and it still looks really, really nice, really natural. I just feel like this is just an easy style if you just pop into the shops, and it's such an easy wig to maintain as well. This is great for anyone who is busy, doesn't have time to, you know, maintain lace wigs or closure wigs. This is just a quick, literally just pop into the shop, running errands type of wig, and I love that. You can also dress it up and make it a going out wig if you would like as well. I'm going to straighten the ponytail of my wig and make sure it looks really nice and sleek. But as I've reiterated so many times in this video, guys, this wig is so easy to put on and so perfect for my busy babes. Then I'm going to go in with my shea butter. This is really good for your natural hair. I'm going to put that on my leave out, and I'm also going to put that on the ends of the hair as well, just to give it a really nice luster and a nice shine, and to bring the health back into my hair. This is how the hair looks afterwards. This is my edges. Very, very natural, very simple, which I love. I'm gonna go back and just be extra even more and just fix my edges. This wig is amazing. Make sure you check out the details down below as usual. I'm gonna link everything that you need to know, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and I do have a TikTok now. well, I did have a TikTok already, but follow me on TikTok to see more quick tutorials like this. And if you do like this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up like I mentioned. And also don't forget to click the link to find the wig in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you learned something from this. It was quite a quick one, but hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.